Hi everyone, it's Don and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Well, I'm bored. Well, just to let you know what I'm talking about is I just got back from my 2-week Alaskan cruise on the 8th of June. And as of recording this video, it's the 21st of July, which means it's almost 2 months that I've been home and I haven't been cruising. Now, I don't mean I'm bored because there's nothing to do. I have tons of work. I am loaded with work. It's so hard to keep up, yet it's so fun helping people with their vacations and stuff like that. I love doing this. It can be overwhelming at sometimes. But personally, I realize it's been 2 months since I've been on a cruise, and my next cruise is not till October 1st, which means I have August and September with no cruise, which would make it 4 months that I'm here at home. 4 months without a cruise. I know. A lot of you are going, ooh, poor Don. He's home for 4 months before going on his next cruise. He just went on a 14-day Alaskan cruise and then he's going to Japan and China. I feel so bad for you. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't mean it that way. It's just I'm antsy. I like I can do my job on a cruise ship as well. So it feels weird not to be on a cruise ship. And then I watch my friend Tony and Jenny's vlogs and channel when they're talking about they're going on the celebrity, I think it's the celebrity equinox they're going on, and there that is before my cruise with Tony when we go to Japan together, and I'm going, well, that's not fair. They're going before I am. They're gonna ease their cruising blues and go on a cruise before me. So yeah, I have to fix that. So I am. So what am I going to do? Well, as you all know, when I first discussed heading off to Japan to go on the Spectrum of the Seas, brand new ship by the way, she just launched. She's doing 4 and 5 days and 3 day sailings right now. And we kind of booked the first 7 day sailings when they first started offering 7 day sailings. That's what Tony and I are going to be on. Looks like a gorgeous ship, so much fun, so much things to do on it. We got single, solo balcony cabins. How cool is that? That'll be really cool to see. So really looking forward to this trip. Haven't been to Japan in years. Haven't been to China and Japan in years. So looking forward to that. And I mentioned to you that I was thinking on, because it's a 15.5 hour flight from my city here in Canada, that that's a long time to fly, and to be sitting up in coach for 15 and a half hours just seems really bad for my back and my health issues. And then I'm going to get there. I'm not going to sleep. I don't sleep on planes, just to let you know. I don't. Especially if I'm sitting up, I don't sleep on planes. However, if I went business class and I had the lie down seats, then maybe that would be a different story. Well, I checked it out, and it's pretty expensive to fly business class, like in the close to $5,000 range for myself, which is double the price of my cruise. So for 30 hours of travel, and I said to myself, well, I wish I could do some other things. And then one of my friends, who's also a client, who's a subscriber, said, why don't you take a cruise? Look at this cruise heading to Japan. So instead of flying from here to China, I can take a cruise from here to Japan and do the short 3 hour flight from Japan and China to meet up with Tony and then head back to Japan. Sounds like a pretty neat idea. So I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to take the Celebrity Millennium from Vancouver up to Sitka, Alaska, and then over to Japan through the Bering Sea. I haven't been on Celebrity in a little while. Get to view films, vlogs, lots of time to show around the ship. She just came out of dry dock a few months ago. whole new renovated. All the cabins have been renovated. They added some new cabins on board. So yeah, that leaves around the 6th of September. So pretty much September, I'll be cruising. I'll be cruising from September 6th to the 22nd or 21st, 22nd, I believe. And I arrive in Japan. From Japan, I'm flying over to China. I'm going to spend about 8-9 days in China. Tony's going to meet up with me halfway through that. We're going to check out Shanghai Disneyland. Then we're going to jump on the Spectrum of the Seas and sail back into Japan, check out that ship on their itineraries, come back to Shanghai, and then fly back. And the good news is, because I'm purchasing the cruise on my Air Miles card, I've earned enough Air Miles to fly business class back from Shanghai with just my points. So it doesn't cost me anything to fly business class on the way back. So yeah, I'm actually saving about $1,500 and I get an extra cruise out of it for 15 days and I get to spend more time in China in the Disneyland resort. So yeah, I think I'm pretty excited about this now. My boredom has eased, and I think it's going to be a blast. So yeah, more excited now, less bored. What do you guys think? Do you think that's a good idea? Do you think I should just fly there? But I'm kind of looking excited to see what Celebrity has to offer nowadays. I always know they usually have very good food and fun entertainment, and their ships are beautiful. So I don't have any complaints about, or trepidations, if you will, about doing a Celebrity cruise. And I'm really excited that the Millennium has just undergone that full renovation. So I'm really excited to check out their new bedding that they call, and check out the new staterooms they built up on the 10th deck. So yep, that's what I'm planning to do next. So there you go, Tony. I'm going on a cruise in September too. And I'm not going to fly there. I'm going to meet you there when we get to China. So, well, I hope you like this video. Hope you think it's going to be an exciting thing. I hope you're looking forward to those videos as well, and check out those ships. That's going to be another 2 ship tours, a new Millennium tour after the renovation, the Spectrum of the Sea tour, and a lot more filming in Japan. And I get to sail into Alaska again one more time before the season ends. I'm pretty excited about it. Well, let me know what you guys think down below, and any suggestions you have for Celebrity Cruises. I haven't been on in a while. If you've been on the Millennium, let me know. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel vlogs from around the world, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.